This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Edward Charles Beaker. On your way to Siesta Key, this maintenance-free condo is here in sunny Sarasota, the wonderful 55-plus community of Tregate. You will enjoy a beautifully 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo that is located just minutes from Siesta Key and downtown Sarasota. You can walk or bike to the beach. It is also steps away from a private gate that leads directly to Sarasota Pavilion with a Publix, Panera, banks, and retail shops. There is a bus line next to that with multiple lines to take you in any direction you need to go. This unit has a covered assigned carport space and there is plenty of guest parking. Take the elevator down one flight to take a dip in the screened-in pool or to enjoy the community barbecue grills with friends and neighbors. The laundry room is just steps away with an assigned storage space as well.